Hello and welcome to Cosmetology Business Hub. My dear friends, this video is for all those who want to remain young forever. Evergreen fountain of youthfulness. You are going to get it today. So watch this video right from beginning till end and do not skip any part in between. And do let me know your questions, your doubts in the comment box. Okay? So let's start. Ageless beauty and anti-aging secrets and strategies for your evergreen health and beauty. Now, as you are aware, see, maintaining youthful looking skin, it is a combination of all. All means genetics, lifestyle changes, skin care routines, and what practices you are doing to promote your general health. While aging is a natural process, there are various strategies and habits you can adopt to help slow down the visible signs of aging, and you can achieve a ageless beauty. What are those practices that can help you maintain youthful looking skin? Let's find out. Okay, if you want, you can take down notes or you can take a notes in your mobile also. Now, what lifestyle changes you should do and what skincare products you should use, that's what we are going to see now. So let's begin our journey on achieving evergreen youthful skin. Are you ready? Then type I am ready in the comment box. See, first thing is healthy diet. You have to make a balance of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, protein, carbohydrate, fatty acids. You have to incorporate fruit, vegetable, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fat to nourish the skin from within. Whatever you do from outside is a supportive thing, and whatever you do it from inside is the strongest. Okay. Now, second point is hydration. It is very simple, but proper hydration is very essential to maintain the youthful appearance because 70% of our body is made up of water, and body receives hydration through various means. One of them is drinking water. What is the third point? Third point is regular exercise. See, exercise will promote blood circulation, which delivers nutrients and oxygen to your skin. So regular exercise will definitely help. Adequate sleep. Adequate sound sleep for at least 7 to 9 hours. Okay. That will help in releasing melatonin, endorphins in your body, which will keep you young and healthy. Next is stress management. Chronic stress is always damaging to skin, and acute stress can result in under eye dark circles. Suddenly you will realize that you are healthy, but what happens? You start noticing under eye dark circles. Suddenly on weekend you realize that, oh my god, from where this under eye circle has come? That is because of acute stress. And there are various corrective methods to overcome these under eye dark circles also. You can practice as a supportive measure yoga, meditation, deep breathing. Okay. Other important point is sun protection. Sun is very good friend, but at the same time it can be very bad enemy. It can damage your upper layer as well as middle layer and lower layer also. It can give you pigmentation. It can break down collagen, fibrin within your skin. You must use at least SPF 30. Okay, at least SPF 30 should be used. You must wear protective clothing and accessories. And what kind of skin products you need, that's what we will see now. Okay, skin care products like cleansers. Use gentle cleanser of pH 5.5. Remember this word, 5.5 pH is very important. Second thing is exfoliation. Regularly, once a week, you must exfoliate. Remove the dead cells from your skin. Promote smoother and brighter complexion. Okay, very simple way. First step is cleansing, then exfoliation. Then serum application. Nowadays, serums have come in the market and they are quite helpful. Look for serum containing antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, peptide serums. Okay, they can hydrate, brighten, and support the collagen production. Next is moisturization. Apply moisturizer so that whatever hydration you have achieved, it will not get lost. Okay, so you must achieve hydration by moisturization. So my dear friends, in conclusion, what have you learned? 3 points I want you to remember. What are those 3 points? See, number 1 is achieving ageless beauty involves holistic approach, healthy lifestyle choices, effective skincare product, and mindful practices. Mindful practices means do not jump into any product blindly. You will see thousands and millions of YouTubers who will advise this particular cream, that particular cream, this DIY, do it yourself remedy for anti-aging, you will use it. Now the same person at the end of 7 days will advise you another set because he is selling those kits. So remember that, use mindful technique. You are more than wise to know how to use internet and Google. Second point I want you to remember is by adopting these strategies which I told you, you can support your skin health from inside. Okay, and maintain youthful appearance as you age. And third thing, as I always say, remember that everyone's skin is unique. Your skin is different, my skin is different, her skin is entirely different. Everybody will need a routine which is tailored to that particular type of skin. So, there is no one single short method for all. If you want to know more about these episodes, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our LinkedIn page and Facebook group of Cosmetology Business Hub. And I am Dr. Anil Nirade, founder director of Dr. Anil Nirade's Skincare and Cosmetology Academy. All of you are welcome to be updated with our new activities. Thank you, and do write your comments. What insights you got from this particular video in the comment box. Do not go without writing your comments. Thank you, my dear. See you. Bye. Take care.